Tell me what's going on.
I got a doggy bone and phone. And
Why'd you get a phone?
Because I grew up.
You grew up?
And I got eyes.
Yeah.
I mean ears and mouth. Seeing
Yeah.
what's in your mouth and ears. And I had this horse thing to.
Did you become a doctor?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
When did you become a doctor?
When I grew up.
When did you grow up?
A few years ago.
A few years ago? You grew up a few years ago?
Yeah.
And you became a doctor?
Yeah, and I have this heart thing to listen to your heart.
Okay.
And that's all I have.
Okay. Can you show me your fancy new phone since you grew up? Pull it out and show it to me. Wow. So you're telling me you're all grown up now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you grew up really, really, really fast, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Anything else to say about growing up?
No.
Okay.